Hello everyone, I just wanted to come and wish everybody a great day, and I just want to wish everybody a good, healthy Christmas and Hanukkah, any other holiday you are celebrating. This is the best wishes. What am I going to do today? It is I'm going to do a festive salad. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, festive salad. If you are going to visit your family, friends, you could take it very easily, easy breezy. And then I'm going to try to make it as well, Sweet Maria bar.
Ooh.
Which yesterday my husband tried it. He said he liked
Sampled.
He sampled it, okay.
Yeah.
And then now I'm going to try to make it again. This is the first time I did it, and I took that recipe from a friend of Tupperware. It's Tupperware is like a family. We share everything together. So what is I'm going to use? I'm going to grab my elegant bowl, which is very nice to take it. You could see it, and I'm going to add in here cut cucumbers. I just cut it in.
Okay.
This is a very healthy recipe. And
healthy.
Yeah, yes, very healthy. And then I'm going to, I did pre-cook my pasta. So it is a pasta salad. As you guys could see, I'm draining it. I left it in the cold water.
Tell everybody about
Our pasta maker. It is, okay, you tell me.
Okay. The pasta maker helps you cook your pastas and
Faster.
Yep.
And today's pasta is a small stars. You know, you could be creative. Yeah, it's for the season. What I did is that I put it in a microwave 8 minutes and with cold water. And then what happens to it is that you put it in with the seal open, cover open, and then here there are different measurements.
Yeah.
2 cups for 2 people, 4 people, or 6 people, and I just did it for whole family.
And on the other side, 1, 3, and 5.
Yes. So this is, I'm going to mix it right now like this much. Like I said, it's a easy breezy recipe.
So we've got the pasta, we've got the vegetable.
We got the only cucumber. You could put a bell pepper, you could put anything you wish to. I'm going to chop my onion. In here are Power Chef or a chopper.
It's a small chopper.
I still call it a chopper. And then we close it. And I did over. Let me see if it's going to. Okay, it is done in here.
Nice and slow on those first couple.
You could chop as much as you want. The more you chop, the more
fine it gets.
The more fine it gets. Then if you family members okay. Let's try one more time, because the way I had put it in. They're all chopped.
Yay!
I will chop a little bit more.
Did you cry?
I did not cry. Neither the Argentina didn't cry.
Oh.
That was a joke?
Yes, I got the joke.
Was it a good joke?
Yeah, close enough.
Eh. So as you guys could see, it's fine chopped. I'm just adding it in. You could do, this was a medium onion. I think now I'm going to cry.
No.
Because it's all the onion. These days onions are really bad.
In what sense?
They make you cry too much.
Oh.
See, I'm going to mix it here. Then I'm going to put half, I cut the cherry tomatoes in there. You know, these days the cherry tomatoes are, see, it's becoming like a Christmas.
Yeah, it's getting colorful.
Colorful. I'm going to add some mint, dry mint. We always, this is most of our salad is the same thing. What you call it, the dressing is like a dry mint, lemon, lime, and salt. Some Aleppo pepper, paprika.
This is all a la Ruth.
Yes, this is a standard Armenian family recipe. You could have a lemon lime dressing, or you could have a vinegar dressing. Today, and I'm going to add in my salad, you could add any kind of a protein. I'm going to add a salmon, can of salmon in here. And how are we going to open? We're going to open with our can opener, which is still on special. Anybody is interested for the stocking gift? It's 50%
how long does
off.
the special last?
We don't know while quantity lasts.
Okay.
But give me a call and I will make sure you get one on a special price. So as you could see, I'm opening it up. It could be left-handed, right-handed. This is not cutting the can, as I could see thick. That means it's open. What I do is usually I go backwards and then it separates the can. As you could see, it did not touch any food. And here, so salmon is here. I'm just going to drain the water. Bear with me, guys.
You have that strainer that we give out at parties. That
I don't have it here downstairs. I should have it soon.
Okay.
So here I just did one, and I'm going to do another one.
Okay.
This is our protein today in our salad. So salmon. As you guys could see how easy, fast, because now after when we put it in, it's just open in the recycling. As
So the person who takes out the recycling doesn't have to worry about getting injured.
No,
That's good.
that is important part.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Yes.
So, because it's the whole package of pasta, that's why I'm putting it. I'm putting it 2 cans of salmon. You know what? We will have leftovers.
No, we don't call it leftover. We call it plan over.
We plan over. We plan it for, the rest of the week because we will be out, in and out. Now, I'm going to add my lemon with our lemon squeezer. I already cut it up. My lemons. See, this lemons I purchased it in October, Thanksgiving time. And check it out. That's one.
Look at all that juice go.
I know. And I like to be nice and juicy. The reason why is it will suck, all that pasta will have. That's why I'm having a 3 lemon here. Fresh lemons. Yeah. I know they are quite expensive. And as you could see,
Yeah, look at all that juice.
I know, nice and juicy. Like I said, this is I did cut it differently by mistake. So anybody has any questions? So are you ready for Christmas? Let me know. And what else should I ask, Donald? You think Santa's going to come and visit you? Were you a good or naughty? Which one were you? I know I was nice and good.
Yes.
I don't know. That's why I think.
I'll agree.
You agree?
Yep.
Should we ask if Santa agrees too?
It's well,
we will see.
We're preparing for Santa. So everybody in Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, it's you're preparing by having North Pole conditions.
Wow.
Right?
I guess so. And the last thing, what am I going to put in? Olive oil, which is always on our counter. Did I put the salt?
Yes, you put the salt.
Okay. As if you want, you could put a tuna, or you could put a what else? A chicken, or you could put fresh or nothing, vegetarian, 100%. Check it out. I should taste it. It has to be taste. The test. Let me see. Just that was I was dreaming of.
That's what you hoped for the taste?
Yes.
Very good.
Amazing. I don't think there will be any plan over. Trust me. Yes. And next thing. Happy Sweet Mary. Sweet Happy Mary. Okay. It's very easy recipe. You need a peanut butter. You need a brown sugar. And you need a corn syrup. Okay? And if you like the recipe, just ask me and I will send it to you. And I will post the pictures afterwards too. And today I'm going to try to make it as a... I'm going to put like
now,
this.
yesterday when I saw that you were using corn syrup, I thought that maybe you were making butter tarts.
No. I didn't think about that. It was interesting. I will say it was... I'm going to put 2 minutes now.
Okay.
I will say it was intriguing.
Yeah.
This recipe because I never heard about this name of the dessert. That's why. And now I'm going to put and measure it up. 2.5 cups of colorful Rice Krispies. That's half. I prepared half, and the 2 I will do it here. 1. As you could see, it's very nice, colorful, and
I see that it's in one of our modular mates containers.
yes, and those module mates, if you are planning to organize your cupboard, it's coming on sale. Let me know. Yeah, as you guys could see, we put a what you call molasses and no.
The corn syrup and etc.
Yeah, and yesterday I did chop our peanuts. I'm going to put it all in there as well too. I'm going to show you. I do buy at the raw peanuts, and then I do
you roast them.
And as you guys could see, it will be very easy. At least you know how salty it is. I do put a little bit of salt, but not too much. Okay, and then as you guys could see, even in you saw I chopped the onion. Now I could chop up. If I want to put more peanuts on the recipe, voila, it's done.
Yeah. And always, even though Ruth was holding the container in her hands, best thing to do is to do that chopping on a flat surface. We don't want anything flying around.
No, which sometimes it does with me. And let me see. And always when you're opening it up, you just open this way.
Open away from you.
Open away. I'm just going to mix it all together and put it back in to make sure that they are all nice and mixed. And even like you when you put your what you call brown sugar, I will show it to you. I will put another few more minutes, few more seconds. Okay, let me put like this. On 2 minutes, it just 18 seconds left. Okay, I was just talking about our brown sugar. It's in here. As you guys could see, it is nice and moist. See, it doesn't get rock. Okay,
yeah.
And you could see here, this is very easy breezy.
And also in one of our modular mates containers.
Yes, they are all are. And at the end, I'm going to melt some chocolate.
Ooh.
And put it on. So here, I'm going to use our silicone. Let me see how we're looking. It's looking good. I'm going to put another 30 seconds. Okay, and then afterwards, I'm going to mix it with my
your Rice Krispie mix.
Rice Krispie mix. And then I'm going to use it, our egg shape. I'm going to make a single, and I'm going to make one round.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm going to make some singles that kids could eat easily, because when we are visiting our relatives this weekend, we could be very helpful.
You mean there's going to be some left?
We should. And as you guys could see how it looks, very nice. I'm going to add a little bit of the Rice Krispie, and as you guys could see nicely, it's mixing it up. And then it's beginning to look like Christmas everywhere you go. So what's your traditional Christmas? Let me know. Our traditional Christmas, it's usually our Christmas starts, in fact, our celebration starts at New Year's. And then what happened to it is that New Year's Eve, the Santa comes, and then afterwards, the Santa gives us a gift if we were good. You know, we try and to be good. And then what happened to it is that on the January 6th is our Christmas, and what happens to it is that on our Christmas, Christmas Day we go to church. That was our tradition, and we were 6 kids, and we always got one gift, okay, because we were a big family. But we are really grateful for it. So now I'm going to put a little bit of water here to tap my hands a little bit to water in case if I need it. I'm going to use the portion control piece, portionally put in here first, and then the rest. See the reason why I'm making the water? See, I could tap it. You see? Do you see what I see? See?
Very nice.
See, this is I'm not a baker. I am a nice cook. That's why I think, again, you know.
Now wait a sec. Does that mean that when if they have a second cross-country cake-off, that you're not going to be involved in that?
No, they were very good. They were very good.
Okay.
Mom.
Do you know anybody who ought to be involved?
Yes, I think my friend Vicky should be involved, and I nominate her. Her cakes are amazing.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else, sir? And
Not right now.
no. And as you guys could see, I'm going to have 8 pieces here. You know what? I might do it. Reed as well. Should I do a reed? I think I'm going to do a reed.
Okay.
Look at me. I change my program while I'm here. See, it's called live. Coming live from the location. See how easy this is? As you guys could see. Here. It comes out nicely. Very nice. Now I'm going to do. And then put it in the fridge. Let it cool. And then add your chocolate. You could decorate as much as you wanted. Check this out. How beautiful is this? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's try the wreath. Which is a donut look. Hey! That's why. Let me do like this. One portion. You could do this with your kids. You know. This is a nice kids activity. I'm just doing as a portion. I know that exactly how much it will be. And then cool it off. So this is a reed. Isn't it a good idea?
Very cute.
I know. They think that I'm a best baker. I know I am best on something. Everybody's best on something in life. Isn't it, Donald?
That's a nice way of looking at it.
Yeah, we are all the creatures of God, and He created us, and then we are good. Oh my God, I think we're going to have it. I think sugar is. Okay, it's getting stuck, the sugar. I know the portion at least. It's getting cold. You could use an ice cream scoop if you have ice cream scoop. I'm going to do 2 more, and that's it. Okay. So we had 8, and we had 6. How many, Donald, we are?
That's 14.
That's 14.
Once this one's done.
Yeah. And I think this one is, I'm going to do everything I have here. Might be the biggest one. So one recipe, which is 2.5 cups of Rice Krispies, will make you, voila, check it out. How beautiful it is. Let me wash my hands. Then at the end, here, you have this, and put it in the fridge. And at the end, what you do is that you take your, what?
Just, it's not balanced nicely.
It's okay. Then I'm going to use our micro pitcher, 2-cup capacity, and melt some chocolate and put it on after cooling. And voila. This is our Christmas holiday. And we have a salad here. Let me show you the salad. Beautiful salad. And then we have a beautiful wreath of Sweet Mary bars. And then I know one of my friends from Calgary, Tracy, she told me a different name that the recipe looks the same. I really don't remember that anyway, but it tastes like it's a peanut butter. So our specials are continuing, and let me show you guys one thing. I just received it. So anything you like from here, let me know. If you are in GTA area, I could deliver it to you for your Christmas. I just received really hot.
Ouch.
Hot. You know how hot it is, Donald?
Hot.
Very hot. Do you know what it is, Donald?
Tell me.
Something of product, future product, which is on our specials this month. Just let me know. It's coming up more next year because they're waiting for the inventory to receive it. It is a brand new. Yes, brand.
It's a box.
Check this out. The bamboo top glass. Yes, it is amazing. I'm happy. What is it called here? Read it, Donald. And this is, it's not for the kitchen only. It could be in your bathroom. You could see through. I could see Donald. Yes, I could see.
Glass and bamboo storage jars.
Yes. So this is coming up. I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. And my name is
Ruth.
And my webpage is
RuthDD.ca.
And for all information, contact
RuthDD.ca.
Yay! Meanwhile, stay healthy, stay safe, and be happy. Have a fantastic day. Bye now. Oh, you want to see my webpage and my phone number?
Yeah.
It is
Very good. Okay.
RuthDD.ca.
Okay.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.